Dear students, I am Mr. Vidyadhar Panda, Assistant Teacher of Dhenka High School, Dhenka, of Block Hatati. Students, how are you? Are you fine? Yes, I think you all are fine. Yes, good. In the last class, what did we discuss? We discussed a topic about what? About only about the topic. The name of the topic, what? Only made impossible possible. Okay, have you remembered anything in the topic? What happened? Yes, there was a theft. Yes, the thief was caught by the police and the thief was handed over to the police and the police sent him to jail. And at the time of or on the day of the trial, से जो विचार दिन कौन how can say? Yes, on the day of the trial, the man whose purse was stolen, what did he do? Yes, he hired a lawyer and how many witnesses? 3 witnesses. Yes, you have remembered up to that we discussed. Okay. Acha, I have given you 5 questions as your homework. Have you done? Yes, very good. You have done. Okay. Now I will show you how you can write the answer. So the first question is what? What did the thief steal? How can we write the answer? The thief. First we will write what? The thief. Then what? If I write steals, is it right or wrong? The thief steals. Right or wrong? Yes, wrong. Why? Why it is wrong? Oh, that did past form did is here. Do the past form is did is. तेणु आम एटा steal रो कौन लिखा verb रो? We have to write the past form of steal. That is what? Stole. Yes, the thief stole a purse. Whom? From a man. Yes, good. Very good. बुझेला आमे एमिति लेखिबा. Okay. Who arrested the thief? Easily you can say who माने किए माने जे हो जागरा खाली लेखि दवा सीधा ना था कौन किया रे ना अछि और कौन अछि ना who arrested? The police. Then arrested the thief. The police arrested whom? Arrested the thief. Clear? Second question बुझिएला केमते लिखिबो. Okay, come to the third question. Where did the police send him to? How you can write? Where means what? The place. Answer what? The police. We will write like that. The police. What? Sends. Maybe. The police sends. एरा लिखिबा ना कौन लिखिबा? No. Yes. No. हाँ कौन लिखिबा? Yes, very good. The police not sends. Here send or past form what? Sent. The police sent him to where? To jail. To the jail लिखिबा नहीं. To the jail लिखिबा नहीं. तार कारण कहीं आर्टिकल डिस्कसन कले आर्टिकल बेले तुम जान मैंने कौन आर्टिकलटा बसे कौन बसे ना है. अच्छा, the police sent him to jail. Clear? Then come to the question number 4. What? Who hired a lawyer? Oh, the man. Okay, the man hired a lawyer. No, the man whose purse was stolen. जहाँ पर्सटा चोरी होता हुज पर्स एटा हूँ हमर गोटे क्लज relative clause use कर लेता हूँ man whose purse was stolen hired whom? Hired a lawyer. Okay, ये जो ये relative clause you will learn about that in class 10. Then come to the last question. What was the last question? Why couldn't the third witness come? Why could not the third witness come to the court? We can write like that. The third witness. Then auxiliary verb what? Couldn't. Couldn't come to the court. Why? कारण लिखा था कौन आंसर लिखा? Because what? Because he had some problems. Okay, go ahead. যদি আমি লিখমি because the third witness had some problems, it is not clear to listen, so you will write the এই যে third witness বদল আমি কোন লিখুছে তার pronounটা লিখুছে he, because he had some problems. Then we will discuss the rest part. Okay, dear students, now listen. Now I am going to make a loud reading of the rest part of the topic SGP1 of only made impossible possible. Then SGP1 I have not finished, and the last half you have to see. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked, when was the theft committed? Was it day or night? The first witness replied, it was day, my lord. The second question was, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? 5, your honor, said the witness. The judge's third question was, what was the color of the stolen purse? Black, your honor, replied the witness. Now you see the new words. What are the new words for you? I think these are the new words what you have not understood. See here, one is what? First one, witness box. What do you mean by witness box? देखियो जतबेले गोटे ट्रायल मीन्स हियरिंग चलता है, माने गोटे कोर्ट रे हियरिंग चलती हो से समय के ना हमरो विटनेस साखी किंबा क्लायंट से सब जाय कि से जो बॉक्स भीतर छिड़ाई कथार्ता करती कहती तांको वकील पचारतो दैट इज विटनेस बॉक्स या ओडिया रे कहती काठगड़ा. आई सी हियर द पिक्चर, दिस इज the witness box. ये जो बॉक्स टा देखा होची, this is what? This is witness box. Clear? Then the second one, here this, look at the 3 words: thief, steal and theft. Thief means what? It is a noun. चोर जे चोरी करे, person who steals something is known as a thief, चोर. Then steal है verb चोरी करना नहीं पड़ेगा, এটা steal verb, that is what? चोरी करिबा. Then theft, what do you mean by theft? सी जो कार्यटा है that is theft. What? कोन कार्य है? चोरी कार्य, that is चोरी होची theft, এটা noun. The crime of stealing something is known as theft. Then another one is commit. Commit means what? Commit means happen. गोटे घटना घटिबा, that is what? Commit. Okay, now I am going to discuss the line by line. Look at your book at page number 2. At the time of trial. At the time of trial means what? At the time of hearing. जो समय हियर माने जो कोर्ट रे सुनानी चलता है. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box. How many witnesses were there? There were only 3 witnesses. The first witness was called. Here it is also passive. Was called to the witness box. एक आठ बड़ा को डकाला परे कौन है ना the judge asked him, when was the theft committed? Was it day or night? Here the judge asked, inverted comma means it is direct speech जहाँ कोई जल्दी से डामे लिखा है ठीक. The judge asked, when was the theft committed? कितने बड़े theft होटला मैंने चोरी टा करतला. Was it day or night? The judge asked that. The first witness replied, what? It was day, my lord. My lord, it was day, not night. दिन थिला दिन रे हितला चोरीटा. It was day when the theft was committed. The time was daytime. The second question, the judge asked another means that is the second question. What? The second question was how many persons were there at the time of the theft? How many persons? Then the answer was what? What was the answer? When the judge asked the second question to know how many persons were there at the time of theft, जो टाइम रे थेफ्ट हे घटिला से समय केते जन लोक थिले. The answer was what? The witness gave the answer 5, your honor. My lord, it was only 5. There were only 5 persons. 5 जन थिले. The judge's third question was, what was the color of the stolen purse? Then what was the color? See, जो color means what? रंग. See, purse रंग कौन थिला? What was the color of the stolen purse? The purse which was stolen. The color was what? What the color was? Then the answer was what? The witness gave. It was black, my lord. Black. The color is black. Black, your honor. Replied the witness. Replied the first witness. What was the reply of the first witness? The color of the stolen purse was black. Okay. Dear students, now tell me the gist of SGP1. See, what is the gist? Means what happened once a thief was caught while stealing a purse. When he was stealing a purse, he was caught by someone, and he was handed to the police. And the police, what happened? Police took him to jail, and when the trial was happening, or at the day of the trial, day of the hearing, the man whose purse was stolen had a lawyer. The lawyer को आनला, वकील को आनला, and 3 witnesses. How many witnesses? 3 witnesses. But what happened? But the third witness did not come or could not come, as he had some problems. तार जेहेतु किसी प्रॉब्लम थिला तो से आसिलेन थर्ड विटनेस. When and after that the first witness was called to the witness box. मने पुछना witness box. The first witness was called to the witness box, and the judge asked him questions after questions. How many questions? 3 questions the judge asked. What are the three questions? The first question is what? Who can say? When was the theft committed? When? Was it day or night? The reply was what? It was day. The first witness said that it was day. The theft committed during day. Then the judge asked the second question. What? How many? What was the second question? How many persons were there at the time of the theft? से जो theft घटिला, चोरी घटिला, चोरी हेतिला पर्सटा केते जन लोक उपस्थित थिले? How many persons were there at the time of the theft? The reply was what? What was the reply? The witness means first witness replied, only 5 persons were there at the time of the theft. Then तापरे कौन है ना जज पुणी पचारचंदी third question. And the third question, what was the third question of the judge? Now what was the color of the purse? ये color purse रो रंगटा कौन थला? What was the color of the purse? Then what he said? He replied. The first witness replied. The answer was what? Black. Black. The color of the purse, stolen purse, was black. Okay, dear students, बुझेला इटा SGP1. I think you have clearly understood. Now I have to give you something to remember and some questions as your homework. I think you will do and you will remember. Because you what you will remember now questions by the judge, a reply by the witness 1. The questions, 3 questions. When was the theft committed? Was it day or night? The answer given was it was day. Then how many persons were there at the time of the theft? The answer was what? 5. Then what was the color of the stolen purse? Black. The answer was black. You have to remember this one. इटा ये जो बॉक्स टाको तुम्हें पिलामान जो मने रखिथिबो है. Then these 6 questions you have to write as your homework. What was the judge's first question? What did the witness reply? What was the judge's second question? What did the first witness reply? Then what was the judge's third question? What did the first witness reply? We have to do, and we will see the next day. We will discuss the next day and next SGP, that is SGP. We will discuss. Okay, thank you all.